Hey, what's good? Manuel here, coming at you with episode 3 of the Level Up Challenge. And if you don't know what this challenge is me starting with $200 and trading all the way up to over $28,000 by the end of this year, 2023, simply through trading options with an objective of increasing the portfolio by 10% each level. I believe in the last episode we hit level 5 or 6, so yeah, we're definitely making some progress. But I have something really important to tell you. And before I can tell you that, I'm a little hungry. I want some Chick-fil-A. I don't know why, but I'm always really happy when I'm going to get Chick-fil-A. Low-key, I really like this shot. I need to do more videos in my car. All right, I know I said I was hungry and I was going to break the news to you once I ate, but hey, right now I'm waiting in line. I'm in a good mood. So I figured there is no better time to tell you than the present. All right, so last episode, I think we were on level 5, 6, wherever we got there. Right after that, like I kid you not, right after that, I believe I made 2 successful trades. And then I was like, you know what? Let's go for another one. I blew the account up. For those of you wondering where I've been, I blew the account up. I'm not skydiving yet though. I'm not skydiving. You know, I'm not skydiving. Still gonna hold through to what I said. If I fail this challenge and don't hit over 28K by the end of the year, I will go skydiving. But failure is a part of life, okay? And if you give up the first time you fail everything, you'll never be good at anything. So let this be a life lesson. And let this be my savior, because I am not trying to skydive. When you fail, see it as an opportunity to grow and improve and figure out a game plan. And speaking of figuring out a game plan, after I eat my food, we're gonna go over the game plan. I just saw somebody get like a Chick-fil-A coupon or something. They didn't walk up to my car though. I hope I get this coupon. Yes, I would.
All right, I'm gonna give that to you. Hopefully you come back the next day or two.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I just got the coupon and the chicken minis. All right, so mission success. This is what securing the bag looks like. So good. So we meet again. It is time for the game plan. So as I already said, we blew up the account. The account is no more. The account hit 0. We lost all the money. We made some bad trades. I did the opposite of what I should do. First step of the game plan, move in the opposite direction. Make the account balance go up. Next step of the game plan, take it one trade at a time. Last time, I took 2 trades and hit a few levels. Then I got in another trade. All in the same day. I don't need to make that many trades in a day, and really after a certain point it is just straight up greed. And honestly, that's one of the hardest parts about trading, is going against human nature and staying disciplined. So with that being said, if the trade has not been planned out and charted, we're not making a trade. Next step of the game plan, get the bag. Gotta get the bag. And this last step is actually probably the most important. Ride this thing to well over 28K so I don't have to skydive. That is the game plan. Let's get it. All right, just wanted to take this time to quickly review how our trades went yesterday, first day having the money back in the account. All right, so here we are in Webull. As you can see, our cash balance is sitting at $120. From yesterday, we're actually down $110 because we got a free share of Apple. So to look at the trades, let's go and look at the history. All right, so as you can see, all this happened yesterday, which was May 25th. We actually sold a fractional share of Apple because we got a free stock, which is always nice. If you're interested in getting any free stocks, be sure to sign up for Webull using the link down below in the description. All right, that being said, we bought into the QQQ, and I'm not really too upset about this. I went in with $50. Nice small position size. Was about 50% of my account, or it was about 25% of my account. So that was cool, part of the plan. And I drew supply and demand, and it was in the supply zone. But then it broke above the supply zone, so I followed my trading rules. Not really much you can do about that. You can't win them all, but you can do what you can to increase your probability. So the QQQ trade, we bought in for $52, sold out for $12. So we lost 40 to we lost 40 to that. Then we got in the call on Nvidia, which we actually ended up going up about $100 on, and then I looked away and it was down. So yeah, we bought in for $97. Then I bought another one for $53, really just trying to sell quickly out the bottom. Then we made $5 off that one, and then we sold out for $22. So we took another loss on top of that, bringing our total loss to $110. So yeah, we lost 40 on the QQQ. We lost 70 overall on Nvidia, but I was able to reduce the loss by buying a second one and selling out really fast. So all right, so here we are after market close. The market closed about 20 minutes ago. So what better time than the present to do a quick market recap? All right, so here we are in the good old Webull, and as you can see, we are up $60 on the day, so not too bad. We are back in the green once again from when we reset the account. We're actually up $30. So cheers to that. Right now we have $117 buying power, and we're currently holding a SPY 418 put that expires this Friday. Today is Tuesday, just for reference, and it expires this Friday. Let's actually quickly go to the SPY. All right, so taking a look at the SPY, looking on the daily chart. If we take a look, like just looking on this chart, the SPY has had a tendency to sell off at these levels, which is really leading me to believe that we're about to get a good sell-off. Should I be wrong, I'll close this out if it goes above that 22.58 that it hit a high of today. But as of right now, I'm riding this, and I expect to ride this to at least 418. Going on, what trades did we make today? All right, looking at our history, today we made 3 trades, and they were all on the SPY. I was looking at Tesla, Ford, Nvidia. I was looking at all of them. I couldn't really figure them out. The SPY, it wasn't that exciting today, but it moved enough to trade. Today, the first trade we made, I bought a SPY 416 put, and I paid 94 cents for it. All right, and we bought that 21 minutes after market open. I was actually a little busy at market open. Otherwise, I would have short right at market open. That was kind of the plan, but I had things to do. I attempted to buy another one for 106, but that failed. And then we actually ended up buying a put for Thursday, a 417 put. So $1 closer to the money and 1 day closer to expiration. We paid $94 for it, bought that at 12.05, and then we sold out at 124 for $29 profit at 154. So we were in that trade almost 2 hours. We made $29, not so bad. And then after that, we sold out of the put we bought this morning. We sold out of that about 15 minutes later at 214, and we sold out for 142 after we bought in for 94. So off that, it looks like we made about $48. And then lastly, we're sitting in the contract that I am currently holding, the 418. And again, I am swinging this one first off because the cash has been settled. I'm not trying to get any good faith violations. And then also, SPY has a big move waiting for it, and today was definitely not that move. Well, hello there. It is Thursday after market close. Today, actually, probably like in a few minutes, They're going to be doing the vote for the debt ceiling, so I just like to say these things just to serve as a marker of time. But without further ado, let's hop in the good old Weeble. All right, so here we are in the good old Weeble, and as you can see, the net value of this account is $439.40. On the day, we are up $178.68, and we are currently not in any trade. So I think we're in a safe spot. But to show you how we got here, let's hop in and look at the history. All right, so to start the day, we came into the day holding a 418 put on the SPY for this Friday. We sold out for 208. I believe we bought in for 161 or something like that yesterday. So yeah, we made a profit on that. Next up, I bought 2 puts on the SPY, 2 417 puts that expired today. I was playing dailies. I was feeling good about them. Really, I've just been trading SPY level to level because the SPY has not been giving us much movement. I was expecting the SPY to fall to like 415, but we did not get that today, so left alone. So bought in 2 contracts, $64 each. Sold out of the first one for 117, and then I sold out of the second one much lower at $91. All right, but we still made profit on them both. That's all that matters. Next up, I bought 2 SPY calls, 2 419 calls. We bought both of them for $86 each. This was about 127, and the other trade was 10:30 to a little before noon. Now we're at about 1:30 Eastern time. So yeah, bought in to those two at 1:30 Eastern time, and then also a couple minutes after that, I bought a call on Tesla. I bought the call on Tesla just because Elon Musk is doing some stuff out there in China, and they're about to do some stuff with the Model 3 and Tesla. So overall, it just sounded like a bullish catalyst. Grabbed a quick call, and we sold out of the call for, we bought the call for 164, sold out for 180. It was up more, but hey, still called profit. And then those 119 contracts we bought, we sold out for 95. So going back to where we're sitting, we are currently sitting at $439.40, which leaves us right here, just finished level 8. And now we're taking on level 9. Looking at our progress, we completed the first 5 levels pretty early on in this challenge. Then I blew the account up. Can't let that happen again because I'm really not trying to skydive. And then it looks like almost nearly 3 whole weeks later, we're at level 8. So we're still making good progress. With a few minor setbacks. I would like to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you that made it this far. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If for some reason you made it this far and haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future content. Also, while you're down there, smash the like button. Manuel signing off here, and I want to change your life.